Just inhale the instructions. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be working on the garage and sorting out some storage, installing some drawers and some water container storage. As you can see, it's pretty busy in there, but it is slowly taking shape. I've moved the existing underslung storage for the ladder and I've replaced it with some straps so it's less bulky. I can get under there easier now to access. But the main thing I'm doing today is this just here, this storage unit, which has got a drawer in it which is going to bring out a toolbox. So I'm just putting that together now. The garage area is something that's annoyed me for ages. I've never quite mustered up the motivation to get it finished. So now I'm doing it in these days off that I've got, and it's coming together quite well, I think. So you can see here, I've actually strapped up these two extra 25 litre water containers. They fit on there perfectly on top of the wheel arch, and usually on that shelf we have like a larder cupboard drawer thing box that pulls out, that we got from our neighbours in London ages ago now, probably about a year or so ago, and it fits in that hole perfectly. Just here is our next storage unit. I've had to take off the lighting that was usually clipped under there because it's all changed now. The storage that used to hold the ladder and the chairs is gone, and now the ladder is suspended with those straps, and our camping chairs are just there mounted on the wall. You can see it's just a bungee strap that I've screwed into there. It actually goes into the metalwork of the door here, so it's nice and strong, and then they've just got a little shelf down there. So the main goal of this little drawer is to hold my toolbox. I picked this up yesterday off Facebook Marketplace for just 20 quid, and it's going to fit on this drawer nice and easily, so I can easily access my tools when I'm out on the bike or if I'm working on the van. And here is the drawer that's going to go on it. This will sit on it like this, like that, and then the red toolbox will sit on top of that. There's going to be storage down the back where the lights are at the moment. I'm probably going to put some sort of canisters in there, like spray paint or oil for the bike or whatever. And then there's also going to be storage underneath the drawer under there. It's coming together slowly, so hopefully it's going to look good when it's finished. But now Gavia is just trying to work out how to open the drawers.
They don't open, and I tried pushing it. That doesn't do anything. Think logically.
It's super lucky that the doors are locked shut, because they won't fly open and tools won't go everywhere.
So maybe...
Oh no, she's found some instructions.
Oh, I could read the instructions. But, okay, let's try and use common sense. What did I do? Oh, so you have to open this, and then these open.
Yay! Riddle solved.
And then if you close it, they don't open. Maybe by touching this, you suddenly understand how it works. It's like a magic tool.
Just inhale the instructions. Okay guys, I'm super pleased with how this has turned out. You can see the toolbox is on there, and then it extends right out. That's a wrap for today. You can see I've got the drawer in, as I said before, got the umbrella under there, got my kneeling foam for when I need to work on the bike or the van. This up here isn't really finished yet. I'm going to hang the jump leads on the wall and they're going to dangle behind there. And then, yeah, got the water containers up there. Got this cabinet that I'm not sure if I'm going to keep yet, but I've just bungeed it there for now, so it doesn't roll around tomorrow when we go to my parents'. But it's nice to see it all nice and clean. It's a lot more space under there now. It's a bit more functional, so yeah, super pleased with the progress. Do you like it?